Got a new pickup in from Palazzo, Spring Summer 18. This is the first drop out of 2 drops, I think. Let's take a look what I got. I didn't get anything from the second drop, I wasn't feeling that. Got that Palazzo return label. Put on my receipts. So I picked up the Palazzo long sleeve in black and the Ferg t-shirt in gray. Got a Palazzo Tri-Ferg sticker. Check out what I got. First one is the Palazzo long sleeve in black. Got that Tri-Ferg right there. Size medium, long sleeve. Check out the back. Graphic. It says Palazzo right there. We got long sleeve tee. Next one is Ferg t-shirt. This is a Tri-Ferg tee. I wanted the peach or the mint color, but sold out, so I settled for this colorway. Check it out. And my favorite part is the back. This shit is fire, dude. This is so fire right here. Damn, this is so nice. Newest pickup from Palazzo. Something light. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.